Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. Today's video will be a little bit different than my other videos. I'll be doing an unboxing for BeeBeeCraft. BeeBeeCraft is an online crafting supply store. They have all kinds of stuff. They have paintbrushes and paints and canvases and resin supplies and jewelry making supplies. You should totally check them out, especially if you have a YouTube channel. BeeBeeCraft has a YouTube program where you can get free products by doing 3 videos for them. All you have to do is have 100 or more subscribers and then just apply to their program. And I'll actually put a link in the description below for you if you'd like to check it out. I was actually quite impressed with the way it came packaged. There was lots of bubble wrap in here and lots of protection, so all the pieces came intact and nothing was damaged. And it was actually very efficiently packaged also. I actually found this YouTube program through a fellow YouTuber, Sue from Discovering the Art of Living. I will put a link to her YouTube channel in the description below, so you should go check her out and definitely subscribe. She has lots of fun videos and DIY videos. She does quite a few art tutorials. You should definitely check her channel out. You are gonna love her. Ah, the products. I was so excited to open this up. These first ones here, these pink molds, they're actually used for resin, but you can also use them for polymer clay. I do it all the time with some other molds that I have. I really like these because they are very tiny and nice little cute shapes. I didn't realize that there were 5 of them in a pack, so that was really cool when I opened them up. And don't forget to check the description below for links to all of these pieces. They're actually really soft and flexible and made of silicone. And next, there is this drill set. I have always wanted one of these. I have seen other YouTubers use them, and I've always wanted to try them, just never saw one in the store to buy one. So I saw this on the BeeBeeCraft website and was like, I'm totally gonna get that. So this first piece here is the drill handle. And then it also came with different size drill bits, which will really come in handy for different sized pieces. And what's really cool about the drill set is that I can wait until after I bake my pieces to drill in holes for hanging my pieces. And it's actually written along the bottom what size each of these are, so that's convenient too. And I really like these handy dandy containers that they came in. It's great for storing them away in a drawer. And these are some larger sized drill bits. Be sure to check below in the description. I will have links to all of these products. This is probably the one I will use quite a bit, but we'll see. I kind of just wanted to check this out really quick. Take it out of the package and look at it. Everything seems to work pretty good. In this top piece here, that's where you'll put your drill bit, and then you can close it up and drill your hole. Alright, enough playing with that. Go ahead and put that away. There's still more goodies. Ooh, and these are the earring hooks. I really like these. They have a little ball on the end, and it's going to add a little something special to my jewelry pieces. And I will have links to all of these pieces in the description below, and also a link to the BeeBeeCraft website, and then also a link to their YouTube program. Just wanted to take a couple out and take a look at them. They look to be really good quality. A lot of times from other places I have received earring hooks and they are missing components of it. So these actually look really good and I like the color of them. They're a nice pretty silver. Got one more thing to look at. And I really like all of these Ziploc bags because I will be using them for my art stuff. So those come in handy too. Packaging will be reused. And these are the necklace chains. It came with a lot. I really liked these online and they actually look really good. I liked the little ribbon that came with it, and then it has the 3 little strings. It'll look good with a lot of cabochons and little gems and jewels. You know, something to add to my earrings. And just go ahead and test out one of these clasps. Seems to be pretty good. So when you sign up for the program, they'll give you $40 worth of free merchandise to be a part of their YouTube program. So this is actually quite a bit of stuff for $40, so a lot of this stuff was really reasonably priced. And that is the end of my unboxing. These are all of the supplies I got from BeeBeeCraft. Again, you should check out their YouTube channel program. If you have 100 or more subscribers, all you have to do is click the link below and sign up. I had a lot of fun opening up this package and looking at everything, and I hope you did too. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!